My name is Ann Santiago, and I'm in the Department of Political Science at the University of Portland. My topic is what is a good research paper in political science. In political science, what you want to do is write a paper that is logically consistent and has coherent arguments that are backed by evidence. Going into a paper in political science, I don't expect you to know everything about the topic, but I do expect you to look for researchers who have researched the topic. The people who research the topic are the experts in the field, and they can inform your writing with presenting logical arguments and evidence. One of the biggest things in political science is to think about the topic that you're writing on, and you need to spend time thinking. If you try to start a paper the night before, you're not going to spend enough time on the paper because the topics are very big and broad. So going into a paper, you don't need to know everything about the topic, but you need to spend time thinking about it and doing the research. One of the things that's very important is to make sure that you're not making things up. You don't want to add fluff into your paper just to fill space. You need to find the evidence, be logically consistent in your arguments, and then present the paper and your arguments in such a way that you're presenting a good argument. At the same time, you need to remember that opinion is very different from a logical argument. Just because you've heard something somewhere does not mean that it's a good argument to add into your paper. This is why it's very important to get the right sources. Finally, I would say remember that you should have fun with these papers, because not everybody gets to take the time to think about these big topics that we discuss in political science, and it's really a privilege to be in the position to be able to take the time to think about your paper and to write something that has a big impact on what's going on in the world. So enjoy it and take the time to think.